What's up, guys? Mississippi here. Today, we're working on a Cherokee. Basically, I'm gonna replace the throttle body for a bigger spaced one. Wait, it's too bright. There we go. And replace my mirror. Yeah, so last winter, our most recent snowstorm, Ryan was doing a fucking Bernie in his runner. Fucking slid over, caused this little bit of damage. Fucked my headlight up. Not headlight, sorry. Mirror. But yeah, we got a new one of those. I'm going to show you guys how to take off the door panel, and then how to take off the throttle body. It's going to be okay. Alrighty. So, first order of business, gotta take the tooby wooby off. And this. What? Cool. Ooh, she's nasty in there. Nasty.
Nasty!
But we'll take off these wires for the throttle. And this one should just pop off. Let me get a flathead. Might need a bigger one, but that's okay. Nice. Oh no. What have I done? Lord have mercy on my soul. These should be 410s. Oh, also can't forget to disconnect the connectors for the IAC, TPS, and the map sensor. Cool. Got my gas powered ratchet. Probably a 12. Nope, it's a 10. Perfect. So, what'd you guys do today? Find any hot dude? And 4. And then, put a bunch of dielectric grease. Oh no, I broke it. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh, should probably go get one of these gaskets too. What? And there is the new one. New, old, used one. I'll take that off really quick. It's the same process as well. There she is. Whoa, it's blue. This gasket's not too bad, but still replace it. You guys been wondering? There's the Sadie's in her glory. That tire's a little flat there. Tire looks a little flat there, buddy. Fucking weird, bro. Fucking.
Stop it. Get some help.
You guys like the hats or what? Unsupervised hats coming out eventually. Whew. Alrighty, guys. Got both the throttle bodies off. Right now, I just cleaned up both the throttle bodies. Not both of them, but the new used one. Here it is. Did clean it up a bit. I did have to take the old IAC off of this one because the one that was on the aftermarket one was completely different. There it is. This one had a little plug that you pushed into it. This one's just a little bit different. Just a little bit. Yeah, we shot those back on. Now I'm going to clean the mating surface, put the gasket on there, put the new bolts on, and then we'll fire it up. Make sure she runs good. It doesn't have any electrogenites on.
It's time to stop!
Ooh, crazy. But yeah, I'm gonna get that done really quick, and I'll get right back with you. Beep. She's back together. We're gonna go ahead and fire up, see what happens, see if it blows up. Damn, I gotta stop with that.
Finally!
I gotta stop. I did forget to mention in the beginning of the video, you can never forget one thing while you're in the shop. Gafety slashes. Never forget gafety slashes. The fuel get up in there. And fire in the hole. Uh-oh. Ooh. Oh yeah. Alright, alright. No check engine lights yet. Let her warm up a little bit. Let her warm up a bit. So far so good. Whoa. Calm down. We'll take her for a little rip. See what happens. Alrighty. No check engine lights, so that's good. Next is my mirror. Boop. Pretty simple, hopefully. If you guys don't know how to get these little hand cranks off, there's a little clip in between, silver clip. Anyways, you got to push it back. That'll pop out. This comes out, and then we got 1, 2, 3 Phillips heads to get out, and that's about it. So, hey, no one says you could close. Sweet, it's out. It's over there. And then it's not part of it, but this little guy you got to take off as well. It's just one little Phillips up in there. If you don't have this, whatever, weather protectant for the inside, you just pull it back. If you got glue, you can just glue it back together. Then you just unclip it from right there. Might need 2 hands for this. You guys like this angle? I mean, you guys have been a bad subscriber. Hey yo, what the fuck? Have you liked, subscribed yet? Maybe hit the notification bell for me and R-Dub Mississippi's. Okay, so right behind this, just see what's recording. Right behind this little foam thing, there is some Perks bits in there. If my screen would wake up. 1 there, 1 there, and 1 right there. So we'll take those 3 out really quick. It's out. I forgot to mention the bolts in there are T30. Also do want to mention, if you guys are doing this, don't forget to grab this grommet off of this, because the new one doesn't come with one. This is what's going to stop the water from getting inside. You're fucking weird. Get a fucking life, loser. Stop saying. Alrighty, guys. That be it. Roll cards back in, and new rearview mirror. It's not as stable as the original, but it is better. And it's functional. So that's all that matters. Anyways, guys, that's today's video. Pretty simple. Nothing crazy going on right now. Next project probably be Ryan's BMW. We'll see though. We got a lot of stuff. Like Mercedes-Benz 300D. Cherokee. Cherokee. Anyways, I will see you guys next time.